Somalia's Islamists are not only militant, they are also destructive. Today, the target of their hammers, their second most important weapon after the gun, are ancient graves. They are of prominent clerics and personalities who once lived in Kismayo town, Somalia's third largest city. Some of the graves have been here for close to a century. They are revered sites that many visit to give homage to the dead. The Islamists say that is akin to worshipping the tombs. Ever since they took control of this town, the Islamist administration in Kismayo has been engaged in destroying shrines like this one. This particular one is for those who believe in Sufism or mystical Islam. The administration here says they will not tolerate any un-Islamic behavior under their rule. The first target of the hammer-wielding fighters was Kismayo's old Roman Catholic church. They tore it down just days after taking control of the city. The 60-year-old church had not been used for nearly 20 years, and not a single Christian lives in the city. Not good enough reason for the militias to spare the building. They are planning to replace it with a mosque.
We are a chosen lot by Allah to try and correct the mistakes of the people and guide them. We have the responsibility to guard the people against all evil deeds.
In Market Town, we witnessed the public implementation of strict Sharia. 3 men found guilty of smoking hashish were being given a public flogging. First, a judge from the local Islamic court read out the verdict. And the task of whipping them began in earnest. The men put on a brave face. Soon, it was time to burn the stash of drugs the men were napped with. The crowds were deliberately gathered here to witness what awaits anyone found guilty of crimes. Having seen no law and order for nearly 2 decades, it's no wonder public opinion on use of Sharia is unanimously for it.
We support their efforts 100%. The establishment of Sharia is a source of joy for us all.
We are happy with the Islamists. We now have peace and the criminals have nowhere to hide.
For now, the Alshabab Mujahideen movement's passion to impose their own harsh brand of Islamic law continues to burn. They say they will not let up in their quest to bring the entire country under their rule. Mohammed Adu, Al Jazeera, Kismayo, Somalia.